Welcome along to the Uboss Updates video.
With this new video series, we will be taking a look back at the last month's worth of Uboss updates.
We will briefly cover off the whole month's new products, design enhancements and functionality changes within the Uboss portal.
So let's see what's new. For our mobile first service, the following changes have been made for the handling of numbers. If the user does not have a VoIP number, the mobile number will be assigned as the main number for the user. If the user has a VoIP number, the system will check whether the alternate number service is assigned. If they have the alternate number service assigned, a message will show the current VoIP number will be reassigned to the user via the alternate number service. It will then assign the existing VoIP number as an alternative number, and then it will assign the mobile number as the new VoIP number. If the outbound presentation number is not set, it will update it to the original VoIP number. If the alternate number service is not assigned, or there is no available slot in the alternate number service, Uboss will show the following validation message. The Tango service or the package name cannot be assigned because we are unable to assign a mobile number to the user. Please assign the alternate number service and ensure an alternate number slot is available, or remove the existing VoIP number and try again. When a Tango number is assigned to a user, the VoIP number field on the user's VoIP account page will be greyed out and cannot be changed. These changes have also been implemented in the SIM configuration page when configuring a physical SIM card.
Now we will take a look at some additions to the Uboss wallboard. First, a new column, Outbound Answered, has been added in the agent tile, which contains the answered outbound ACD calls count of the agents. Next, an inbound and outbound call count has been added in the bottom of the answered tile. And lastly, calls which were abandoned during the entrance message are now shown as an additional metric in the abandoned tile.
Up next, we have added functionality to handle call recording copy failure scenarios. While processing call recording copies in both immediate and interval modes, if an error should occur during the copy process that is related to the connection, then Uboss will retry the copy operation up to 3 times. Should the error persist after 3 attempts, the process will then stop and the instant status will be changed to paused. The copy process can be reactivated in the following 2 ways. Manual activation via the Uboss portal. In Uboss, an activate button will be displayed in the call recording copy assignment page, and the user can then validate the connection and manually reactivate the copy process. Then there's automatic reactivation. This is a background task. A daily background task has been added to retry the connection for all paused call recording copy instances. The task will recheck the connection status, and if the connection is successful, the instance will be automatically activated.
The following changes have been made to credit notes. We have removed the name field from the credit note page. The description field is now mandatory. We have replaced the name column with the description in the list table. The credit note PDF has been updated based on these changes in the credit note page. And the PDF has been updated to show the item description instead of the nominal invoice name. As part of the move to the new Uboss call center reports, the older pending end-of-life reports have now been fully removed from the Uboss portal.
Now on to scheduled reports. To avoid any issues with large attachments, we have limited the attachment size to 25 megabytes. Should the attachment be larger than this, then the recipient will receive an email explaining the situation.
Next up, we have amended the call log report so that when a particular call is selected, the details will appear in a pop-out window rather than loading as a new page. There is also now a copy link button so that you can share the call details. You can close the pop-out by clicking on the X on the top right, by pressing the escape button on the keyboard or by clicking outside the pop-up. Once the window is closed, you will be back on the call log screen without reloading, so it will be in the same loaded state that it was previously. That is all for this video. We hope that you found the information useful.
As we have already mentioned, further details surrounding all of the Uboss updates can be found in the release log in the Uboss portal by clicking on the icon in the top right corner.
Follow us on LinkedIn to keep up with all the latest news and features, and we'll see you next time.